Hey guys, this is Mr. Jair from Sunset Elementary, and this week I decided to teach you guys how to make a cootie catcher using construction paper. So you're welcome to choose any animal design, or you could go with mine, a lion. So hope you guys find this useful, and let's get to it. Okay, so the materials you're gonna need is some scissors, a ruler, tape or a glue stick, and either a pencil, a pen, or a like marker like here. And then depending of your animal choice, 3 colors: white for like the mouth, the eyes, then yellow, since I'm gonna be making a lion, the main body yellow, and then the little hair orange. So let's get to it. So you're gonna wanna need a perfect square. So as you can see, I decided to make a line already, and it's 6 inches. So just line it up, and with your pencil, just trace the line over to 6, and then flip it over, and do the same thing. Make sure that it's even. You can go bigger or smaller too, but I decided to go with 6 inches. So as you can see, I have the square now. So now get your scissors and cut it. Okay, so now that's ready. You just keep this aside for in case you end up needing it. And then start by folding it in half. So fold it like this. Make sure that it lines up on the other side. So something like this. And then just repeat it on the other side. Make sure it lines up again. So here it is. And now get the little ends, so like the little corners, and fold them in like this. And repeat it for all sides. Okay, so after you have this, after you folded them in like this, flip it over. So flip it over, and then fold each, so as you can see, like the little cross. So get at each corner and fold them in like this. And make sure they're straight. So just repeat it for all sides. So after you have it, you just fold it in like this and make sure that's straight. Then open it again and fold it on the other side like this. So just make sure that it tightens up. And there you go. Okay, so now that you have this, you're gonna start to make the face. So I'm gonna be making the little line here. So just get a brown paper, or whatever color you prefer, and then start shaping it. So I'm gonna be cutting a little shape first. So something like this. And then you just get your pencil or marker and put this in here and make like the little outline of it. So there it is, and then now get your scissors and start cutting it. So now that you have this, line it up again. And then just make like a line between the middle, so something like this. So you know where to cut it. So now that I have the lines, just cut it straight from each end to end. Okay, so now that's ready. Line this up. And then you wanna just kind of fix it like this. make sure we're lined up. So as you can see, it's gonna flip over. So you just do with this, kind of tape it on the back like this. So you just flip it back up, and you're gonna want to tape it on the inside like this. So flip like this so it's easier, and then you just line it up on top there. Okay, so as you can see, I've put in the fur or the little hair for the line. So now it's time to make the eyes. So that's the white paper for. So you just cut a little square. You can shape the eyes to whatever size you want. Okay, so now I get a marker and kind of color in the little eyes. And don't worry if you mess it up, cut another piece or flip it over on the other side and kind of repeat it. Okay, so now so get your glue stick and glue it in. Something like that. And then just get your black marker and add the whiskers and the little nose. So you just kind of paint the middle part like this. And then you set the whiskers on the side. And then if you want, you could add a little smiley face at the bottom. So there it is, your little cootie catcher. And then you're welcome to add like the numbers inside, so you could play the game, or teeth for your design. So here's my lion. You're welcome to do any animal like a wolf, bird, whatever. So just make sure to follow the steps I provided with, and hope you enjoy.